So we got this situation. We have to integrate from 0 to 1, and it is root over 1 minus x by 1 plus x. So if you will observe this question, you will find problem with numerator and denominator both. Correct? So what we will do, just look at the approach. You know that whenever we witness root, we used to think about rationalization. Correct na? So let's do the rationalization part first. So the denominator is 1 plus x. So we'll multiply and divide by 1 minus x. And let's see what happens. Dx. Now, so if you will observe, the numerator will become 1 minus x whole square and the denominator will become 1 minus x square. Correct? Now, integration. And if you'll observe, the numerator becomes square of something, so I can take that thing outside. So 1 minus x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Now, if you'll observe this question, this time we are having problem with only the base. Earlier we are having problem with the numerator and the denominator. Right now we have problem with denominator. So hopefully we are going in correct direction. Now, if you'll observe this question, you may find that, sir, we can segregate this question into two questions and it will become more convenient. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll create two, because you know that integration question can be separated when it is given in addition or subtraction sign. So the first question we will have dx by root over 1 minus x square, and the next question we will have as minus of integration x dx by root over 1 minus x square. Now, focus on question number 1. So if you will focus on question number 1, it is integration of root over 1 minus x square, and you know it is direct. It is sine inverse x. Correct na? Now, what is the upper limit? Upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0. Correct? Now, if you'll observe the yellow part, don't you think that it is little bit complicated as compared to the question number 1, first part? Okay? Now, but you can say that, sir, denominator is quadratic and the numerator is linear. So if we will do the differentiation of denominator, 100% we can get numerator. So suppose that inside root we have 1 minus x square. We are taking that as z. So let's do the differentiation. So dz by dx will become what? Minus of 2. Correct? Now can we find the value of dz as minus of 2x dx? Look, so you have x dx, you have minus. So minus of x dx we managed. Now we have to create 2. So can I divide both sides by 2? Now, can I write down this question as plus 1 by 2 integration of dz by z power 1 by 2? And you also know that if we will take anything as z, the lower limit and upper limit gets manipulated. So suppose that you have taken x as 0. So if x is 0, z will become 1. And if x is 1, z will become 0. Correct? Now let's simplify this question little bit more. First go with the purple part. So you know that you will be placing upper limit first. So x will be replaced by 1. So sine inverse 1 is pi by 2. And sine inverse 0 is 0. So upper limit we will become pi by 2 minus 0. Okay. Now focus on the next part. So plus of 1 by 2 integration of z power minus 1 by 2 dz, lower limit 1, upper limit 0. Now let's do the integration. So pi by 2 plus 1 by 2 z power minus 1 by 2 plus 1. So it will become plus of 1 by 2 plus of 1 by 2. Correct? This thing gone. Now here we will apply the limit 0 and 1. So this is pi by 2. Now if you place the upper limit, it will become 0. So 0 root is 0 minus, so it will become 0. 0 minus 1, 1 power 1 by 2. So the required answer is pi by 2 minus 1. I hope you got the approach and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.